want to show you guys some proof of Tradeline posting that a customer got. It was a 2018 Wells Fargo $9,000 limit, and it took a fresh CPN to a 719. And so you don't have to go crazy with the trade lines. You can get you a decent trade line with a good history on it, and it'll put you at a good score. So that's the process. You get you a trade line, 200 tri-merge CPN, one good trade line, and you'll get you a score. Easy as that. Trade lines post 7 to 15 days after the statement date. That's the question I get the most. When it's going to post, when it's going to post. If you go to this list, you see statement dates right here. 7 to 15 days after that date. So that's when that trade line going to post. And also, I'm going to take this channel in a new direction. I'm going to make it about business credit. So that's what I'm on now. Trying to do business credit with LLCs and get financing for vendors. Because if you think about it, if your personal credit, if you can get a loan for $5,000, business credit is 5 to 10 times more than a loan you can get with LLC or business credit. So you can take that $5,000 loan, but you go put that and go get business credit. You can get $50,000, $250,000 worth of credit from a bank, and it's just like building up a CPN or a credit profile. You have the EIN number, which is associated with your business. You build this like you would build a CPN or a credit profile. No late payments, on time, pay your invoices, and keep your banking separate from your personal banking. We're going to talk about all that in the new, I might just rebrand it, everything, change the logo, change the name, take this channel in a whole different direction. Because I'm going to leave the videos up because I want to show y'all where I came from to where I'm at. Like, I took this to do that, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can make this CPN stuff work. And basically, when you have a fresh business, they're going to use you as a personal guarantor. So backing your business can be your CPN. You can take this 719 and back it behind your business. So the first couple loans you're going to get, they're going to run your credit as far as your personal guarantor. So why not choose a 700 score and back that LLC with that? So that's where we're going to take that to.